Hi, Natalie. Say hi.
You're doing so bad, Natalie. No, I'm not.
Left plank. Left plank. You're supposed to stay up.
I'm fine.
Natalie, you're not.
I'm doing this still. They don't know.
You're not supposed to be on your knees.
They don't know. I am. This is easy. I like this. Oh, God.
You lazy.
This is good. You just weigh it down. They don't know. It's a computer. I'm only on 5.
How did you do that? That's all you had to do.